Hey guys, what's up? So I'm just going to get iPhone X gestures on your iOS 12 to 12.1.2. So this doesn't have to be an iPhone X, guys. This could be basically like any iPhone or iOS device. So what you guys want to do is actually go down to link down description, and you guys want to which is here. You guys go on web, download an app. So this is my friend's Casp tweak, guys, called iTweakOS. It's an amazing tweak, guys. Definitely go check it out. But the link for this website will be down in the description. You tap on download an app, or just go to web to use it. I'm just going to go to web to use it, and you guys want to tap on allow, and then you want to install the profile. So let's go install the profile. You see that's on my device right here. You just want to tap to open it up. Alright, so once it opens up, you can add, tap on the ads, and then you guys want to go tap on the ads again. You guys want to tap on the ads again. Non-jailbreak, so no jailbreak on the bottom. Just tap on that. And then you guys can scroll down to jailbreak. Just tap on jailbreak. And then you guys want to find, alright, so rootless installer. Tap on that, and then tap on install. And it's on your home screen where you have space. You can see right there, installed, rootless installer. Tap to open up. If it says untrusted device developer, you want to do is actually go to your settings, scroll down to general, scroll down to profiles and device management, and you want to find a certificate and trust it. Trust again, and now we can open it up. So now we tap to open up, and I will have a link down in the description. You can add, tap on the ads on the bottom. So I will have a link down in the description. So down link down in the description. Here, you just want to copy this link, guys. So tap on it, hold on it, select all, copy. So once we copy that, now we can go back, open rootless installer, tap on it, and then we just paste it right here. So you probably wouldn't need to be in a jailbroken state. So for that, you just want to also download rootless jailbreak from iTweakOS, tap on it, and just tap on jailbreak right here. You can have both those on if you want, or just have the tweets on. Doesn't really matter, but have both of them on if you want, and tap on jailbreak. And then your device is going to jailbreak, and then it's going to respring. That means that you are in a jailbroken state. So once you guys are in a jailbroken state, you could then back rootless installer. If you get an ad, just tap on the ads, guys. Tap on skip on the bottom. Tap on done. Tap on the S on top. Okay, so once we're here, we can just paste what we copied and then just tap on exploit. You can just tap on install on the bottom where the keypad is, and then you tap on install. See, it's going to say get root. So basically when that happens, we actually tap on done around here. Tap on install. Once you tap on install, you just want to tap on respring after you tap on install. And then when your device comes back on, you guys will have basically the iPhone X gestures. So you guys will have like the little thing on the bottom. We can swipe up on your apps, and use your phone just like you would an iPhone X. Pretty cool, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.